students, welcome to the EVS class. In our last lecture, we started with the fifth lesson, that is keeping clean and fit. I also discussed with you various ways to keep ourselves fit and keep our health in a good condition. So, also we learned about some cleaning habits, how we keep our body clean. We learned in the last lecture. Today we are going to discuss some other points which will help us to keep clean and fit. So let us start with our discussion. The point for today's discussion is exercise. So students, exercise is very necessary to keep our body in a healthy condition. So what is exercise? Exercise can be done in various ways. For example, you can do yoga. We all know that there are many asanas in the yoga. So we can do any of the asanas to keep ourselves strong, active and fit. So also we can do skipping. What is skipping? Skipping means jumping with a rope. Also running is a very good exercise. We can develop our health and make ourselves fit if we do running on a regular basis. Jogging is also a very good exercise. What is jogging? Slow running is called as jogging. Also, walking is a very good exercise. Walking in the morning can develop our fitness. We can make ourselves strong and powerful. That is, walking is a very good exercise. So also outdoor games. What are outdoor games? All the games that are played in the open space on the ground are called as outdoor games. And all these outdoor games involve very much physical activity. So playing of outdoor games is also a very good exercise. So students, if we do exercise on regular basis daily, then what will happen? We can develop fitness. We can become strong and powerful. Okay. Now we will discuss the second point, that is good food habits. So students, having good, that is nutritious food is very necessary to build immunity or to have a good health. So now we will discuss some good food habits. The first good habit that we need to inculcate in ourselves is wash your hands. So before eating the food and after eating the food, we have to wash our hands properly with the help of soap and clean water. When you wash your hands with soap and water, the dirt and the germs which is present on your hands will be washed off and your hands will get germ free. And so when you eat the food with your clean hands, the food will surely be healthy for you. So it is very necessary that you wash your hands thoroughly. The next is eat slowly and chew properly. So whenever you are eating the food, when you take a bite of the food in your mouth, it is very necessary that you chew it properly. It is said that each bite of food should be chewed for 32 times and then it should be swallowed. So you should not be in a hurry when you are eating the food. You have to eat it slowly and chew it properly. The next is drink plenty of water. As the food is essential for us, water is also very important for us. So we have to drink a lot of water. It is said that we should at least have 2 liters of water each day. Okay, the next is do not eat stale food. So what is stale food? Stale food means the food which is prepared very early, or we can say the food that is prepared today, it should not be consumed or eaten the next day. So you have to eat the food which is prepared within 24 hours. So you should not eat stale food. You should not eat the food which is not covered or we can say you should not eat the food from the roadside vendors. The roadside vendors, they keep the food open, and so what happens, the dirt gets stimulated on it, or the dirt gets spread over the food, and if you eat such food, you will surely have some stomach ache, some stomach problems. So it is very necessary that you do not eat such stale food, uncovered food, and the food from the roadside vendors. The next point is eat food at clean places. So we should take care that when we are eating the food, we sit at a place which is clean. Also, the plate or the dish in which we take the food, that plate or the dish should be clean. Okay, the next is do not watch television while eating. So this is a very important point. All of us have the habit of watching television or talking when we are having the food, but it is not a good habit. It is necessary that when you are having your food, whenever you are eating the food, you should sit in a quiet place, or you can sit with your family members, but do not talk to each other when you are eating the food. So also do not watch the television when you are eating the food. You have to concentrate on your food when you are eating it. The next is eat lot of salads and green vegetables. So we all know that salads are very nutritious. They are very healthy. So we should take care that our food always includes salads and green vegetables. So also the next point is do not overeat. So whatever food is required for our body, we should eat only that much of food. If we keep on eating much, it will be not good for our health. Also, we should never waste the food. So whatever food is required to us should be taken into the plate and it should be finished. Do not take a lot of food and throw the food. Okay. So these were some of the good food habits that we need to follow to keep our body healthy, clean and fit. Now we will discuss the last point of this lesson, that is sleep well. So students, as physical activity or exercise is necessary for our body, similarly rest is also very essential for our body. So we have to sleep for at least 8 hours at night. Also, when we are sleeping, we should not cover our face. Also, we should sleep early and wake up early. It is a very good habit. You might also have learned in your nursery classes the poem "Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise." So it is very necessary that we sleep early at night, and in the morning we have to wake up early. So all these habits like keeping ourselves clean, doing lot of exercises, following good food habits and taking good sleep or taking good rest, all these things are very essential to keep our body clean and fit, also healthy. So I hope that you all will follow all these rules or all the tips that we discussed in this entire lesson, and you always be strong, powerful and healthy.